We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
While not all modern laptops give you access to the RAM, many do provide a way to upgrade your memory. If you can upgrade your laptop's memory, it won't cost you much money or time. And the process of swapping out RAM chips should take between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how many screws you have to remove.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.